This video is going to cover percent word problems. These are actually a lot easier than you probably think they are. What we're going to be doing is reading out these questions. For example, number 1 says, what percent of 126 is 22? And just converting what these statements are into algebraic expressions. So let's start with number 1. It says what percent. So immediately when we see what percent, we're going to put an X. What percent of, in math, of is times. So we're going to do times 126 is in math is equal 22. So then what we're going to do is just solve for x. So to get x by itself, we have to divide by 126 on both sides. And I'm going to use my calculator. 22 divided by 126 gives us 0.1746. Now that's not our final answer because it says what percent. So we have to convert this into a percent. Let me just use a little bit darker. Okay, so now we got to convert this to a percent. To convert a decimal to a percent, we just move the decimal to the right 2 times. So we just go 1, 2, we end up getting 17.46 as our final answer. Number 2, same thing. 81 is 56%, so to convert a percent to a decimal, we just move the percent over to the left 2 times and can just put a decimal, get rid of the percent, so it becomes 0.56 of what? Again, of is times, what is x? So we're solving for x. So let's divide both sides by 0.56. We end up getting x equals 81 divided by 0.56 gives us 144.64. That's our final answer for that one. Number 3, 25.7 is what percent, again put an x, of 141. Get x by itself by dividing by 141 on both sides. These cancel. We end up getting x equals 25.7 divided by 141 gives us 0.1823, and it's asking for the percent, so we got to move the decimal over 1, 2. We end up getting 18.23%. Number 4, 17%, so again convert the percent to a decimal, so we get 0.17 of what is 156. Divide both sides by 0.17. X equals 156 divided by 0.17 gives us 917.65. Number 5, 46 is what percent of 107? So we want to get the x by itself, so we divide both sides by 107. X equals 46 divided by 107 gives us 0.4299, which ends up equaling 42.99%. Number 6, 79.9 is 99%, and we just convert it to a decimal, of what? Divide both sides by 0.99. These cancel. X equals 79.9 divided by 0.99 gives us 80.71. And I'm going to stop here because the rest is pretty straightforward based on what it is. There's no tricks. Just convert what you read into an expression and solve for the variable. And this video is on algebraic expressions.